traveling now to the north. This is Prince Sultan Road. Hi, this is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and join me for our journey this morning. The sun is not too hot, even if it is summer, and I want to experience a cool weather right now to leave the stress behind the road. And I want to go on one place that it is like a sense of Asian, but the problem, I forget the place already. First time we are biking, last 5 months ago, we are going to the random places. But the problem, because the difficulties of the road, there is gutter and not straight, so we don't go to that road anymore. And we found many places in that area. So now I will try to go again to that places and try to find the road. So join me in my journey this morning. From here, beside the Sultan Road, we will going to this another street.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
So we are late a little bit this morning. Now it's 6:50 and the sun is not too hot, but the problem is very high in humidity. I have mini sweat already. I am traveling like about only 3 kilometers.
Somehow we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free.
So it's already 5 months we don't go in this road. One also of the main problem going to this some kind of road is there is many thorns or other items that makes your tire flat, and my tires is still not tubeless, or I don't have sealant on it.
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway.
So they have here side road and not balanced. It is populated area. I'm very thankful that you are watching these videos, and you can help it by liking and also subscribing in these channels. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell. So we will go left over here and then going to the right. So we will cross the street that is the Hira Street. I will show this is the one of most difficult of driving this area, is every now and then there is an island that you need to cross and carry your bike. And also the garden in the island is wet.
Be free with me.
Actually, it's a random road I will go to this morning to search that location, but I am bounding always to the north because I remember that is in the northeast side.
It's been 4 weeks since you called, and I've been waiting here for you all along.
So we found here one park with the vegetation. It is beside the mosque, but this is not the park that I want to go in this morning. But it's a nice place and also very cold here. If you have a shaded park, but it is not clean. So we will continue to find that.
Here with me. We never should have said it's better this way. I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate.
So in this journey or travel this morning, I need to go in the crowded area and turn left or turn right, and also there is gutter.
Say that you won't go. It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared.
I have to go western part because my journey is like stairs going left and right, and again I will go right, and we have again the island, and also there is no road going to north. So I will cross this island and find the way going to north. This is the difficulty of biking in this area. That's why we don't go from here in a long time. So we found one beautiful mosque. The problem here is there is too much crossing. So maybe somebody will ask why you don't use the Google map. See, the Google map is there and it is working, but the problem is I cannot identify the parks because there is too much park also here in Jeddah, and there is too much mosque. So what I do is to trace this road and to follow my instinct going to north until I found this area. So we will proceed.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again.
Again here, one garden, but this is not the garden that we are looking for. So let's proceed.
While you let me go, look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions out.
Go from this road. This is Prince Sultan Road now, and I will bound to the north. The traffic is built up. So now let's go. I need to cross in this island. Okay, so we need more speed.
To better times. Remember I was laughing.
I will continue to travel bounding to north in here in Prince Sultan, and try to search in our right side, but still I'm not sure where is this Asian mosque.
Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running.
I'm always trying to search in the right side, but I still don't see. So I don't want to travel continue this highway. That's why let's try in this road.
To
Oh, there's a nice mosque here. I think it's near in this area already. So we will search in this area more. So this is also a nice masjid and good park, but still under renovating. So we'll continue to find that area.
My emotions are go, running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times.
So I think I found our destination this morning. So this is it. This is what I'm looking about. It is like a scene of the Asian. We will tour this area and I give you the view. So it is a beautiful mosque, and I don't see this kind of mosque everywhere here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So it looks like you are in the Asian country. So we will have a tour of this mosque. It's very wonderful. So I feel relaxed, unwind and leave my stress behind the road when you are looking to this mosque. Actually, it's very nice, wonderful, and the air is very fresh. So the good thing is we found this mosque after we travel 10 kilometers of this random area, random roads, across the gutter, but it's very nice. So it's very long time again to take a deep breath in this fresh natures in this mosque, and I'm very grateful and I'm very happy that I already found this place again for a long time. So I'll take relaxation in this area before I will continue and return again to my place. It's a very nice view. I am very relaxed, and this area I feel like I am in the Asian or in my home place already. So I'll return to my place now, and I'm very thankful that you are watching these videos, and you can help it by liking and also subscribing in these channels. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell. So thank you once again. This is Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, and this is Prexyll saying, leave your stress behind the road. Thank you for watching. Until my next video.